Welcome back to the Real Talk podcast, where we unpack everyday issues with honesty, empathy, and a little humor. Today, we're diving into a tough but important topic: teenage pregnancy. Why does it happen? What are the root causes? And how can we start changing the narrative?
Exactly. Because let's be real, teenage pregnancy doesn't just happen. There are patterns, pressures, and silent factors behind it. If we don't understand why, we can't address how to prevent it.
Let's start with one of the biggest reasons: ignorance. Many teenagers don't actually know how their bodies work. Some think pregnancy can't happen the first time. Others rely on myths like drinking soda after sex will wash it away.
It sounds funny, but it's tragic. Because behind those myths are real lives being changed forever. Lack of proper sex education is a major trigger. Parents don't talk, schools skip the conversation, and society acts like silence will solve the problem.
And then we have peer pressure. A teenager sees their friends dating, experimenting, and they don't want to feel left out. Add social media into the mix: TikTok trends, Instagram lifestyles. It creates this idea that everyone is in a relationship or sexually active.
And let's not ignore poverty. Some girls are pressured into transactional sex because they need money for school fees, data, or even food. Vulnerability makes them easy targets.
Then there's abuse. Some teenage pregnancies come from situations no one wants to talk about: rape, incest, or older men taking advantage of younger girls. It's heartbreaking, but it's part of the reality.
Which is why it's dangerous to just say, she was careless. No, sometimes it's not even her choice.
Exactly. And even when it is choice, it's usually shaped by silence, wrong information, or pressure.
So the big takeaway from today is this: teenage pregnancy doesn't come out of thin air. It's a result of lack of knowledge, peer pressure, poverty, abuse, and silence. If we're going to solve it, we must break the silence.
Beautifully said. In our next episode, we'll talk about parents, why they are the first teachers, and how their silence can sometimes push their children straight into the arms of confusion.
Remember, every conversation we start here continues out there.